Hi, I'm Danny at Ghost with Steel Rubber Products. Today we're going to show you how to replace the windshield using a new gasket on this 63 Nova. We got the windshield out already. We're going to clean it up, we're going to put the trim on, and then we're going to rope it in. We'll show you how to do it right here. So next we'll start putting on the gasket in the corner there, since you got it. So now we move to the trim. Basically the main thing is we want to find out where the center is, right? We're going to apply compound right in here where the groove is. That's going to sit on the metal. Just need a little bleed. Put the string right in the same place that we put that caulking. So get all the way. And you want the string all the way down in the groove because you want it to be between the rubber and the body. Overlap where you first started. So then we're going to start with these on the center of the car, bringing it in, and then pulling the strings up around. And what we want to do is start this outer lip right on the bottom there. This string pulls that side, okay? Start pulling that string. Is that pulling it over the lip? All right, then come this way a little bit on this string. And then we're gonna press in and down basically the entire time he's pulling. So now you see how you can put your windshield in that has a reveal molding. The gasket goes on the glass, the reveal molding goes in the gasket, and then the entire thing gets roped in, the opposite of how everything came out. So some vehicles are a little bit different. We'll show you how to do those in other how-to videos. If you want to find the gasket for your car, you can look in our year, make, and model specific catalogs or on our website. So choose what the pros use and get yourself sealed with steel.